Welcome to HeART Workshop 2, providing artists with entrepreneurial competences so that they can make a business from their art. In this video, we will focus on building your reputation, building and growing your online reputation, netiquette, exploring alternatives, and finding your online niche. Building and growing your online reputation. Creative people looking to make a living creating their art wants to be known as a professional. Still, credibility can be an unreliable thing because it's created whenever people experience your work. Customers like to purchase from credible artists. That's why trying to build your reputation as an artist should be a main priority. Having a strong website and social media presence that exhibits your art allows people to see and hear your art, see what you're up to, and develop relationships with your customers. Netiquette. When building your online reputation, try to create relationships and connections with people rather than publicity, promoting, selling something, and spamming them. People like to be educated, amused, and informed by you rather than being sold by you. Try to be cheerful, cheery, and helpful with your followers, friends, and networks. Remember not to publish negative or offensive posts, tweets, and updates. You are trying to meet people and create a following. Exploring alternatives. Exploring alternatives such as instructing an online artist workshop, content marketing, and creating a YouTube channel are great alternatives to build your online reputation and show people your art and who you are as an artist. Finding your online niche. Discovering your online niche is all about locating different communities and demographics that will enjoy your work. Part of discovering your online niche is understanding the competition. In most niches, there can be numerous artists contending at once. Remember to take the time to research other artists who create similar art to yours. Building your reputation is an important competence that artists can take advantage of so that they can make a business from their art. It helps you to truly connect with your audience and make a credible brand from your art. Well done! Now you are aware of building your reputation and are ready to begin Workshop 2. For more information on HeART and how you can make a business from your art, why not check out the HeART Project workshops?